In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix SteamVR error 451 in just 2 minutes. This issue can be pretty annoying, but with a few simple adjustments, you'll have everything running smoothly again in no time. First, open the settings on your PC. You can find it in the Start menu or by searching for it. This is where we'll make the key changes needed to resolve the problem. Once you're in Settings, go to the System section, then click on Display. Scroll down until you see Graphics Settings and open it. From there, click on Change Default Graphics Settings. Now look for the option called Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. This feature can sometimes conflict with SteamVR, so go ahead and turn it off. It's a quick toggle, but it can make a big difference. After that, restart your computer to make sure the changes take effect properly. Once your PC is back on, open Steam and head over to your library. Find SteamVR in your list, right-click on it, and select Properties. Then go to the Betas tab. Under the Beta Participation section, select None to opt out of any beta versions. And that's it! Those steps should fix SteamVR error 451 and get you back into VR without any issues. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.